everybody. So I know that I don't really get to talk to you guys a whole lot, but as you know, I'm with a coworker and her little kid, so it's not always appropriate to film. However, we are doing the, I'm not even entirely sure what it's called, the pirate fireworks cruise deal. I'll tell you the real name. I'll insert it underneath here. But anyway, so I separated myself for a little bit to do this scavenger hunt that they gave to us to do. In the meantime, also check out my fancy bandana that they want us to wear so they can identify us for this special event. But this is really one of the only times I can kind of isolate myself so I can film for you guys. So thought I'd take you guys along on this scavenger hunt and do this with you guys before I go ahead and film the cruise. I'm sorry, I'm like, I don't know if it's just like that I'm out of practice or what's going on, but I am like not doing good with the words today. So let's just get on with the scavenger hunt. It says right here, all of the answers can be found from the perspective of the 4th floor of Disney's Contemporary Resort, which is where we are now. We're at the Contemporary. So, first question. List 3 colors that you can find on the PixArg Play Zone wall. What the heck is the Play Zone wall? I don't know what the Play Zone wall is. Never mind, guys. I found it. Oh, that's okay. I found the Pixar Play Zone wall. It is right here. Ha ha ha. So, we're gonna go with green, purple, and yellow. The next question is, what color are the goats on the Grand Concourse mural? So that has got to be this guy. And the goats. Goats. I see a bunny. I see people. I see an owl. I see birds. More owls. Oh, there they are. Mountain goats up there. There are. Next question is, name the store where a pirate can buy a new sword. There are a couple different gift shops. I'm in one of them right now, so I'm gonna look around and see if I can find a new sword. Bingo. Alright, found our sword. So, what store are we in? I think we must be in Fantasia. Now the next question is, what do you find sweeping its way across the top of the shelves in the store mentioned in question 3? That'd be these guys, these brooms from Fantasia, but I don't know what exact answer they want. I don't know if they have a specific name. Enchanted rooms? Question mark? We're gonna go with that. The next question is, whose castle can you see out the big windows in the distance? Come on, think of some better questions, please. It's obviously Aurora's castle. Guys, I'm kidding. It's Cinderella's castle, I know that. So, Cinderella's castle. This next one's throwing me for a little bit of a loop. Which resort restaurant sign has big ears on it? Now, all of these are supposed to be on the 4th floor. And there are only 2 restaurants that I know of on the 4th floor, which would be, 3. Contempo Cafe, Chef Mickey's, and Outer Rim. I mean, Chef Mickey's kind of has ears, but that's only because it has a picture of Mickey, and Mickey has ears. I mean, even this back here of Chef Mickey's doesn't exactly have big ears, so I don't really know what it wants from me here. I'm gonna go with Chef Mickey's, I guess. Next question is, how much treasure does it cost to use the penny machine? Luckily, I don't have to go very far for this one. It costs 51 cents, 2 quarters, and 1 penny. And, well, I mean, technically it only costs 50 cents, I guess, because the penny you get back, it's just smushed and not usable, so it depends on what you count as cost. Interesting question. Next question on our lovely scavenger hunt list. What be the moving vehicle driving through the Contemporary, and what other resorts can be reached from this vehicle? Now, that vehicle would be the monorail. However, as for the resorts, I am sad to say I don't actually know what other resorts are on the monorail line. I know the Poly and the Contemporary and the Grand. I think that's it. And I am a terrible former cast member, former DCP, current annual pass holder. I am a terrible Disney vlogger. I think those are the only ones on the monorail line. I don't know. Without Googling it, I don't know. I'm a bad person. I know. Go ahead and just unsubscribe now. Stop watching. It's done. Oh, hey, you're still watching? Cool. Well, in that case, on to the next question. What is the name of the Disney Cruise Line model ship on display? Now, I didn't even know there was a Disney Cruise Line model ship on display, so let's find it. Looking for a Disney Cruise Line model ship. By the way, nope. So we're looking for a model of a Disney Cruise Line ship. We have found our ship. The Disney Fantasy. In case anyone was wondering, there's some information about the Disney Fantasy. And the last question for this lovely scavenger hunt is, which super greeter welcomed you into Pirates and Pals tonight? That's what it's called, Pirates and Pals. And his name is Raymond. So Raymond, if you ever see this, which I know you won't, what's up? My name is Katie. You helped greet me tonight. And not gonna lie, I only know your name because I just snuck past you so I could take a quick look at your name tag because you greeted the other people in my party and I was just kind of in the background. So yeah, that was the scavenger hunt. Hope you guys enjoyed following me along with it and helping me get back into my vlogging shoes, and I'll show you guys how the dessert party is and really look forward to it. See you later.
Are you guys ready to see some fireworks tonight? Coincidence, so are we. It's true. All right, are you hungry? Well, there's all kinds of goodies waiting for you just beyond this doorway. So let me welcome you to your Pirates and Pals fireworks voyage.
Okay, it is already a madhouse, but we've got ice cream sandwiches in here. Like over here we have some drinks, but I'm thinking maybe just coffee and hot chocolate. Not entirely sure right now. Some more drinks over here. What do you want? Okay.
Are you ready to go now? Are you ready to push it up?
Want any chips? No? You want apples, you said?
I promise to keep all my hands on deck and not to tackle them overboard, keeping all my treasures in check. But most of all, I promise, a true pirate I shall be. I'll laugh, sing, and be merry. A whale of a time for me. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it seems we have a celebrity aboard. Nigel is a 3-time gold medal athlete. Is that right, Nigel? Yeah! Female figure skating. I'm picturing you in a tutu. You've done that. I may never sleep again. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for coming aboard, Nigel. We got the Frederick family. Keep it down, Fredericks. You're going to get us kicked off the lake. Fredericks, where are you all from?
Illinois.
Illinois! Oh,
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
I will hear their every story, take hold of my own dream, be as strong as the seas are stormy, and proud as an eagle's scream. I will ride, I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky.
We can have an average and don't give a hoot. Check out the honey show. Here you go! Go home, go home. Our party is much for me. We answer for pilfer with bilge and sack. Drink up me hearty show ho. We'll run and embezzle and even hijack. Drink up me hearty show ho. Here you go! Go home, go home. Our party is much for